Nisha at Vedantu. I hope my pirates are doing good, staying safe and taking care of yourself as well as your family also, right? So guys, your captain is again here to talk about finding the squares of the number. How can we find the square of a number? And we are going to talk about Pythagoras triplet. ठीक है, चले फिर बूम कर दें. चलो आज से भी बूम कर देंगे. So first of all we are going to talk about finding the square, then Pythagoras triplet. ठीक है, so finding the square of a number. So you must be thinking, if we have to find out our square of a number, we are going to multiply the number with itself. For example, the 39 square you have to find. So 39 into 39 we are going to do, and then we are going to get the answer at your place, right? No guys, no. We are not going to do this. We are going to form a pair. Can we write 39 as 30 plus 9? Can we write it like this? The motive behind is to get a 0 in the number. Because if we get a 0, we can easily find out the square of that number. Okay? So we know how to quickly find out the square of this number. Everybody aware of A plus B square identity? A plus B square identity everyone is aware of, right? So A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? This is the expansion of this identity. So A is 30, B is 9. So A square 30 square 900, B square 9 square that is 81, and 2AB 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 9 540. Simple हो गया, and that is nothing but 1521. Simple हो गया. Boomed it. I know my pirates can boom everything. So before I move ahead, I want to solve few problems. What are the problems? Ma'am, doubts, notes, test assignment, competitive exam, choice of schedule, choice of language. इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स है मेरे पायरेट्स की. तो इन सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन है. क्या है? वेदांतु प्रो लाइट सब्सक्रिप्शन. What you are going to get in this? Unlimited bonus live classes. Suppose you have learned a chapter from a teacher but couldn't understand it properly due to few reasons. Okay, it can be anything. So you are free to take up n number of live classes from different teachers through micro and crash courses as well. Performance report. How you are performing? In every session, every detail will be given to you. Personalized attention. किससे? India's best master teachers, or you can say your favorite teachers. Right? So just visit this link and just select your grade, select your targeted exam, get subscription. You have 1, 3 and 6 months plan. But if you apply the coupon code 80PRO, right? What is the coupon code? 80PRO. You will get additional discount, right? So visit this link and use the coupon code 80PRO and be a pro. चलो आ जाओ फटाफट से पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट को बूम करते हैं, right? So we all know what is Pythagoras theorem, right? We all know what is Pythagoras theorem. So in that theorem, we have to take a right angle triangle in which we have C, that is longest side, which is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And a height is there, that is A here. This is height. And we have a base as well, that is B here. Right? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, height square plus base square is equal to the hypotenuse square. So height is A square, B is base, B square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is C square. Okay? So I hope it is clear till here everyone. Now take a look on the following numbers. Okay? Just observe the numbers. We have taken 3 and 4. Just square them. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. 16 plus 9 is 25, and that is what? The square of 5. So we can say that 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplet. Let's take one more example. 6 and 8. Square of them is 36 and 64. So what you get? 100. That is the square of 10. Right? So Pythagorean triplet is 6, 8 and 10. Right? Now let's take one more example. 5 and 12. Square them up. 5 square 25, 12 square 144. So 144 plus 25 is nothing but 169. Right? So 169 is the square of 13. So Pythagorean triplet is 5, 12 and 13. Okay? Now let me give you one more insight into it. Okay? A Pythagorean triplet consists of three positive integers, that is a, b, c, such that a square plus b square is equal to c square. Okay? Isn't that amazing? Okay, so now let us take this example. So when you take the longest side and the height and the base, and you have a square, b square, and just add them up, you will get c square. That is nothing but hypotenuse, right? I hope it is clear. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. So Pythagorean triplet would be 3, 4, 5. 3 square plus 4 square would be 25, and that is 5. So triplet is 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25, and these are some examples for Pythagorean triplet. Isn't that cool? Right? Right? Give it a thumbs up if you loved Pythagorean triplet. Come on, guys, give me a thumbs up. Alright, guys, come on. Let's go ahead, and we have 3, 4, 5. What is 3, 4, 5? That is nothing but Pythagorean triplet. What we can do is multiply 2 with every number. 3 multiplied by 2, 4 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2. You get 6, 8, 10. And that is also a Pythagorean triplet. Multiply it with 3, but with every number of the triplet beta. With every number of the triplet. अगर आप सारे नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कोई एक नेचुरल नंबर को, तो उसका आंसर जो आएगा वो भी एक पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट होगा. ठीक है? अब 0.1 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, ये भी एक पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट होगा. 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 30, 40, 50 भी एक पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट होगा. ठीक है? आ जाओ. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब आप क्या कंक्लूड कर सकते हो? अगर कोई पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट है एंड यू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद अ नंबर विद एवरी ट्रिपलेट, with every number of the triplet, then the answer which you will get is also a triplet, Pythagorean triplet. Okay, but guys, we have a formula for finding out the Pythagorean triplet. ठीक है? So we know the elements in the Pythagorean triplet is 3. So we have 2m square, the first element, m square minus 1, the second element, and m square 1 plus 1 is the third element. So 3 elements are 2m square, m square minus 1, and third element is m square plus 1. So just add m to m square and m square minus 1. You will get m square plus 1. M be the any number. ठीक है? So we have 6 square, 8 square and 10 square. So we get 36, 64 and 100. So that is proved because 6, 8, 10 are Pythagorean triplet. Like that also 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagorean triplet because 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Why? 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 5 plus 5 square is 25. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, m2m square plus m square minus 1 should be equal to m square plus 1. So, pirates, this is the challenge of the day. I want you to boom this particular challenge and let me know the answer in the comment section. So, you have to give me the answer. Find the Pythagorean triplet in which one member is 12. And this is the homework time. This is the homework, guys. Do boom it. Boom it, my pirates, and let me know the answer. I know my little pirates can boom this particular problem. Yes, because pirates के लिए तो कोई भी problem नहीं है ना? So, एक बार तो और आपकी कैप्टन ये सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको बता रही है that there is one stop solution, that is Vedantu Pro Lite subscription, and you are going to get these bonuses in that. Also, you have to just visit this link, select your grade, targeted exam, get subscription. We have 1, 3 and 6 months plan. Select your targeted exam and just get it for whatever month you want to. Just visit this link, which you will find in the description box, and apply the coupon code, that is ATPRO, and be a pro. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much, really thank you. And hit the like button, share it with your friends, hit the bell icon also, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and do let me know your views in the comment section and answer also. Bye bye guys.